A lot of times when people get into tap handle collecting, they do it because they're looking to pick up like their favorite beer, or maybe they saw a cool tap handle like the Goose Island tap handles or something like that. And one of the things that I've noticed is that once you kind of like are find out that tap handles are a thing that you can collect, and you get involved in like tap handle collector groups, or you're just going on brewery websites to check out and see what they have, then a lot of times you'll make discoveries on taps that you weren't otherwise familiar with. And this one is a lovely example of that. So that's kind of why I wanted to highlight this, like a little bit about the tap itself, but also a little bit more about just if you're getting into collecting, kind of what it's like. And this is one of the variations of the Blue Moon tap handle. There's a couple of different ones. There's the shorter, like ceramic ones. This one is actually for mango wheat, and that's one of those ones where before I found out about this tap handle, I didn't even know that was a beer that they produce. I knew that they had done some variations of their ones, but I didn't know that this is one. Another one that I wanted to call out, which I'll don't have in my collection right now, but I'll try and cover at some point, is they've got a horchata one as well, which is another one that does a really cool design like that. And one of the things with this is you can see the way that they produce this. And this is actually goes in there. So this is raised here. These are actually going in, so that's not just paint there. And then you've got similar elements around the side there. And then these are raised elements. If you've seen these ones before, then you'll know that these are kind of like separate raised elements that they have on the three sides there. But I did want to just kind of call that out with these tap handles, is that once you start getting into collecting, if you've got like a particular type of tap that you're into, or if you're just doing it purely based upon aesthetics, then there's a lot of really cool ones that you can find.